Hi, first graders. I thought I would do a little demo on how to get onto Raz Kids or Kids A to Z. So, when you're looking for it, there's an app and it's got the little robot on it. And then when you click on the robot, it should look like this. On the bottom, it might already have my name, Anna Smith. And if it already does, then this part has already been done. If it does not, you can add my username. So the username is, it already popped up there, AROOT with an H at the end. And then you'll hit go. And when it logs you in, then each of your names will pop up. So then you'll go and you'll find your name. So I'm just going to pretend I'm Morgan. And you click your name, and then it's going to ask for your password. And your password is your lunch number, or the number that you use for your password for Reading Eggs, the number you use for your password for IXL, that number that's on your bag. And it should be 5 numbers long. So then you type in that, and then you're going to hit go. And then it should log you in, and you have 2 choices to do either reading or science. And you're going to click reading and go in from there. And then you have a reading room and leveled up. So I want you to go into the reading room. And then go into leveled books. When you go into leveled books, there are levels that are perfect for first grade. So the first grade levels are between D and J. Some of the D's might even be too hard. So if you feel like those books are too hard, you can always go to the C's or the B's. And if you feel like you want to challenge yourself and you can read harder books than first grade books, you could try some of them past the J, okay? But that's kind of the range for first grade. I have been assigning books in certain levels with the different groups that I've been reading with. So, like today, my group did Animal Tongues. So then you can go and read that book on your own. You can listen to someone read it. You can read it yourself. And then when you're done with that, there's a quiz you can take on the book. So this is just another fun place you can go. I've been doing this with my small reading groups, but I just thought I would explain it so you know exactly how to get in. Hope you have fun.